Hello students, in this video we continue to find out through graphical means or by drawing a graph whether a given pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So this is the second question, and it states that state whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or not. Obtain the solution graphically, and the equations given to us are x minus y equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Again we have to plot 2 points over here as it is given using the graph paper. So let's begin with the first equation, that is x minus y equal to 8. So in this case we'll take 4 as x. So when x equal to 4, and I'll write down the equation once again, that is x minus y equal to 8. In place of x I'll substitute with 4, since we've taken x is equal to 4. 4 minus y equal to 8. When I take 4 on the other side, it becomes negative. 8 minus 4 will give us 4. Remember, the minus sign for y remains that way. So that means that y is equal to minus 4. So when x is equal to 4, y will be minus 4. Let's take another question. This time we'll take x equal to 5. Okay, so when we take x equal to 5, let's see what do we get. We'll write down the equation once again. X minus y equal to 8. In place of x we substitute it with 5 minus y equal to 8. We take 5 on the other side, it becomes negative. 8 minus 5 gives us 3. So since the negative sign is there, we get y is equal to minus 3. So when x is equal to 5, we get y is equal to minus 3. Now let's solve for 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Okay, and let's take x equal to 0 in this case, and let's see what do we get. So write down the equation. 3x minus 3y equal to 16. In place of x we put it as 0 minus 3y equal to 16. 3 into 0 is 0 minus 3y equal to 16, and this will leave us with minus 3y equal to 16. So I will keep minus y there, and I'll take 3 down, so that will be 16 upon 3, which gives us y equal to minus 16 upon 3. Okay, so when x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to minus 16 upon 3. Got it? We'll plot another point, so write it down over here. Before that, x is equal to 0 minus 16 upon 3. So we have to plot another point. So this time I'll take y equal to 0 instead of x, just to try out something different. We have always been taking the value of x first and getting y. This time I'm going to assume the value of y to find out x. So I've taken y is equal to 0. I will write down the equation once again. 3x minus 3y equal to 16. So 3x remains the same way, and in place of y I'll substitute it with 0 equal to 16. So 3x minus 3 into 0 gives us 0 equal to 16. So that means it gives us 3x equal to 16, and 3 I'll take down, so I'll get x equal to 16 upon 3, that is positive. So when y is 0, we get x equal to 16 upon 3. Okay, so these are the points that we get for both for both the equation. Now, how do we get the fraction on a graph paper? So what do we do in this case is 16 upon 3. If we divide, this is what we get. So I'm just doing the rough division over here. So 3 divided by 16. Okay, and we get 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 15, we get 1. Okay, So if we put 0 over here, we'll have to put a decimal point over here, and we'll have to bring the 0 down. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, and 10 minus 1, 9 is 1, and then you get a recurring number. Okay, 3 will continue to repeat itself. So in place of 16 upon 3, it is easier to find on the graph 5.3. So though we keep the point this 16 upon 3, because that's what we have got the value of x over here and y over here, but when we are plotting it on a graph paper, we will look to plot 5.3 in place of 16 upon 3, and in place of minus 16 upon 3 we'll look to plot minus 5.3. That should make it easier for us to plot this type of graph. Okay, so let's plot the graph. So we plot the points for the first equation, that is x minus 1, y equal to 8. When x equal to 4, y is equal to minus 4. So when x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 4 over here. So minus 4. And when x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 3. So when x is equal to 5, positive 5, y is equal to minus 3 over here. Now let's plot this line, or we can leave this and plot the other 2 points for 3x minus 3y equal to 16. So when x is equal to 0, y will be equal to minus 5.3. So it will be, so now to plot 5.3, have a look at minus 5 and 6. Okay, now I have already done the outline of the graph, plotting the y-axis and x-axis with the scale given as, on x-axis it is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and on y-axis it is 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, which means in that 1 centimeter we also have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1 centimeter. So similarly over here we just need to look at the gradation. So minus 5.3. So when x is 0, y is minus 5.3. So it will come over here. So that will be minus 5, 1, 2 and 3 over here, minus 5.3. And when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5.3. So this will come somewhere over here. So that will be 1, 2 and 3 over here. Circle this point and circle this point over here. So let's join this 4 points. So 4 points is in, we join these 2 points and we join those 2 points as well. So I'll join these 2 points first. Okay, since this is a longer line over here, okay, here you go, and we'll write the equation of the line: 3x minus 3y equal to 16, and we'll plot this line. Make sure the line passes through the 2 points. Here you go. Okay, and we'll write the equation of the line. It's x minus y equal to 8. Okay, now if you have a look at these 2 lines, they are parallel to each other, which means they will never meet each other. Okay, so that means we will, to get an equation we need the two lines to intersect or coincide. Here they are not coinciding, neither are they going to intersect at any point, which means we are not going to get any solution for the given pair of linear equations. That means this pair of given pair of linear equations are inconsistent. So let's conclude based on this graph that we have got. Just have a look at the graph once again. Okay, so we plotted the line for 3x minus 3y equal to 16. So this is how we get 5.3. This is positive 5.3, this is negative 5.3, and for x minus y equal to 8, we got these 2 points over here. So when we drew the lines, we found that they are parallel to each other and not going to meet each other. So let's conclude. So we can say from the graph we can conclude that the given pair of linear equations give two parallel lines. Hence, the given set of equations are inconsistent and do not give a solution. So they do not provide any solution. So this is the second problem gave us no solution at all. Okay? So continue watching videos on linear pair equations to learn more about them, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already subscribed, and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever a video is posted. Thank you for watching.